Hey, it's Adam Sewell, MD. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to prepare alpha-2 macroglobulin in your clinic, both with commercial kits and with a standard desktop centrifuge. You'll learn the formulas, the spin settings, the workflow, and how to produce platelet-poor plasma that contains concentrated A2M for joint injections. Let's start with what you need to know. A2M lives in the plasma fraction. It is not inside the platelets, and it is not inside the buffy coat. Your only job when preparing A2M is to isolate the plasma and concentrate it. There are two ways to do this. You can use a commercial kit with an ultrafiltration membrane, or you can use a standard centrifuge to create platelet-poor plasma and use that for large joints. Here's the commercial kit method. Commercial kits use a molecular weight filtration membrane that separates plasma proteins by size. A2M is a very large molecule, so when you apply negative pressure or centrifugation to the plasma chamber, the smaller proteins pass through the filter, while A2M remains on the concentrate side. This produces a highly enriched A2M solution that you can inject into the joint. Kits usually produce between 1 and 2 milliliters of concentrated A2M from 10 to 60 milliliters of whole blood. Here's the desktop centrifuge method. Start with a standard blood draw, usually 10 to 20 milliliters. Place the tubes in your centrifuge opposite each other to balance the rotor. Your first goal is to separate red cells, buffy coat, and plasma. To do this, you need a spin force between 800 and 1,000 times gravity. Most centrifuges show revolutions per minute, not relative centrifugal force. So here's the formula you must use to convert RCF to RPM. RCF equals 1.12 times 10 to the minus 5 multiplied by the radius in centimeters multiplied by RPM squared. To solve for RPM, you take the square root of RCF divided by 1.12 times 10 to the minus 5 times the radius. RPM equals the square root of RCF divided by 1.12 times 10 to the minus 5 times the radius in centimeters. Let's do an example. If your centrifuge has a 10 centimeter rotor radius and you want a spin force of 1,000 times gravity, the equation becomes RPM equals the square root of 1,000 divided by 1.12 times 10 to the minus 5 times 10. That yields approximately 3,000 revolutions per minute. Once the spin is complete, your plasma layer will be on top. For large joints, you can use platelet-poor plasma directly as your A2M source. Simply draw it off into a sterile syringe. For clinicians who want a slightly higher concentration without a filtration kit, you can perform a second spin, transfer the plasma to a clean tube, and spin again at 1500 G for 10 minutes. This compacts any residual platelets at the bottom, leaving you with nearly pure plasma. The A2M concentration will be approximately double that of whole blood plasma, and this is generally adequate for large joints like the knee, shoulder, or hip. The key point is simple. A2M preparation is about isolating the plasma. Whether you use a kit or a centrifuge, the molecule you want is already there. Your job is simply to put it in the right place at the right concentration.